MULN stock analysis and MULN stock prediction. Looking at Mullen Automotive, I can tell you one thing, and that is that we're down a lot. I'm not saying this in a bad way or anything, but this is for like 9th of June and an end of week report. This week was crazy. You know, we experienced this pump and dump kind of a thing. I'm the only person in this space with 41,000 videos made, so I've seen what's working for me and what's not. MULN specifically, I have so many previous receipts. You know, even 5 years into the game, doesn't change the fact that 2 years ago with Mullen, I'm just selling the crap out of it. You might think I'm lying to you, but this is like literally made 6th of June 2023. So yeah, just bearish receipts on top of bearish receipts, and I do think it will just keep going. If you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails. And all I have to say next is that, I mean, making crazy money here, I guess, will be just trying to catch this pump. But other than that, I don't think that there's really a way to just try and force it, really. So we'll continue to keep you updated. Let me know what is your opinion. And that's all I have to say here. Goodbye and enjoy.